Before you replace your catalytic converter, watch this. Before you replace your catalytic converter, you need to know something important. Most converters don't fail overnight. They slowly get clogged over time, and in many cases, that buildup can actually be reduced, which means you might be spending money you don't need to spend. At first, the signs are very subtle. You might notice your car feels slightly weaker, maybe slower acceleration or reduced power. But because it happens gradually, most people don't pay attention until it becomes serious. Then one day, the check engine light appears. And that's usually when people start to worry, because they know something is wrong, but they don't know exactly what. When you go to a mechanic, the most common suggestion is replacement. And yes, sometimes that's necessary, but in many cases, it's not the only option.
Here's the bill. It's not good news.
What, 2,800? This is insane! For a bumper?
Parts and labor, it's all there.
I can't afford this!
But here's what most people don't realize. A large number of these problems are caused by carbon buildup inside the system, not complete failure. And when it's just buildup, there's actually a chance to improve it. Not instantly, but gradually over time. This is where a simple 20-minute method comes in. No tools, no complicated steps, just a basic process that works with your car's system. It works by helping break down deposits while your engine is running at normal temperature. So instead of opening everything up, the cleaning happens from inside. Now, this is not a magic fix. It won't repair a broken converter. But if your issue is mild clogging, this method might help more than you expect. First, let's understand what a catalytic converter actually does. It's designed to reduce harmful gases coming out of your exhaust. Inside, there's a honeycomb structure that helps convert toxic emissions into safer ones. But over time, that structure can get blocked. When carbon deposits build up inside that structure, airflow becomes restricted. And when airflow is restricted, your engine has to work harder than it should. That's when performance starts dropping. This buildup usually comes from incomplete combustion. Short trips, poor fuel quality, and lack of maintenance all contribute to the problem. And slowly, it starts affecting your car's efficiency. Now, here's where the simple method comes in. Instead of removing the converter, you can try helping it clean itself from the inside. And that's the idea behind this trick. The process usually starts with adding a cleaning solution into your fuel system. As the fuel burns, it carries cleaning agents through the exhaust system. Then you drive the car for about 20 minutes, preferably at steady speed. This allows the engine to reach proper temperature, which is important for the cleaning process. As temperature increases, carbon deposits begin to break down slowly. It's not something you see instantly, but inside, changes are happening. Over time, airflow improves. And when airflow improves, your engine can breathe better again, which leads to smoother performance. Oh, you might notice small improvements first, like better throttle response or slightly smoother acceleration. These are signs the system is improving. But remember, this is a gradual process. It may take more than one attempt, depending on how much buildup is inside. Patience is important here. Now, it's important to understand the limitations. This method works best for mild to moderate clogging. If the converter is heavily damaged, it won't fully restore it. If there are internal cracks or melted components, then replacement is the only real solution. No shortcut can fix physical damage. But for early-stage buildup, this method can delay major repairs. And that alone can save a lot of money. Another key factor is fuel quality. Low-quality fuel increases carbon deposits, which leads to faster clogging over time. Driving habits also play a big role. Short trips don't allow the engine to heat properly, and that leads to more buildup. On the other hand, longer drives at steady speed help burn off deposits naturally. That's why highway driving can be beneficial. Regular maintenance is still essential. Oil changes, air filters, and proper care all contribute to a healthier engine. Think of this method as a support, not a replacement for maintenance. It works best when combined with good habits. And always follow recommended usage. Using too much of any product can cause more harm than good. When used properly, This simple trick becomes surprisingly effective, and that's why many experienced drivers use it quietly. At the end of the day, your car reflects how you take care of it. Small actions today can prevent big problems tomorrow. Ignoring early signs often leads to expensive repairs later, and most of those could have been avoided. Now you understand what causes clogging
And what you can do about it.
That knowledge alone makes a difference. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful, and this is one of them. You don't always need expensive tools or complicated repairs, just the right approach at the right time. A small change in routine can extend your car's life significantly and improve how it performs every day. So next time you notice early signs, don't ignore them. Take action before it gets worse. Because prevention is always better than repair. And much cheaper too. This simple 20-minute method might not fix everything, but it's definitely worth trying first. And now you know something most drivers don't. Use it wisely, and your car will thank you later.